Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for easy step-by-step tech and software tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into SMTP2GO, a powerful and reliable email delivery platform that helps you send marketing emails, transactional messages, and even track your campaigns all with ease. Whether you're a small business owner, a developer, or just getting started with email marketing, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. From setting up your account, configuring SMTP settings, to sending your first email campaign. So, grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into how to use SMTP2GO like a pro by going to the official website. Now, on the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. But of course, the better option is to click the sign up or click the try SMTP2GO for free. If you do, all you have to do is provide all the information needed. You can simply use your work or business email and click the continue button. And then what will happen is you will be forwarded to the main homepage of the SMTP. Alright, so as you can see, what we have here is the dashboard on the top left corner. The dashboard is the high-level overview of your account activity. Right? So if you want to add a verified sender, you need to click this. It is required to send emails from the sender. Keeps your brand front and center. SPF and GKIM are handled automatically. How? I want you to click the green button, add a verified sender. You will be forwarded here in this section, alright? You need to add a sender domain or add a single sender email, depending on your preferences and your access level. At this point, if you don't have any access or any admin privileges, you might want to skip this. Otherwise, if you do have, click the add a single sender email, click the email plus domain, and click the send verification email. In this case, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this one. You can add a personal note to the verification email. How? For example, and then click the send verification email. Right now, you see that there's going to be an error. Make sure that you know the some settings or information and you have an admin privileges. If you don't, you will be not going to be able to move forward. All right. Now we're going to go to the reports section. The report section gives you the summary. This is going to be the condensed view of recent sending activity. All right, so the billing month is at this section. The activity is a detailed list of sent, failed, delivered emails. You can search, and of course, you also have the option to export. You can download list as CSV, XML, or NDJSON. The chart is going to be the visual graphs showing trends in email delivery, opening, and a lot more. You have the charts right here. You can have the events per user and of course demographic. The archives is going to be the historical records of any sent emails. Now, the email archiving is a feature where you can store the content and attachments of your emails so you can't exactly show how they appear. Archiving involves additional charges. Now, we will later we're going to be seeing the upgrade option, all right? But for now, there is going to be the email testing. The email testing is a tool for testing how your email appears and whether it passes spam filters. Again, this is part of the professional accounts. We're going to deal with the different pricing plans later. The suppressions is a list of emails that have been blocked from sending, for example, due to hard bounces or manual suppressions. Of course, you have an option here. It's an email address or domain that is blocked from receiving further emails. Email addresses on these pages are past hard bounces. Data exports are downloadable files of your email data like reports, logs, and a lot more. So you can export data from your account. If you want to click on continue, you have the data exports and the scheduled reports. All right. The SMS messaging is where you can send SMS messages if your account includes SMS functionality. Again, this is a paid account or part of a subscription plan. The sending gives you all these. Right now, under the sending, there is the SMTP users. So these are usernames, usually email style addresses that you use to log into the SMTP server. Right? If you want to continue, so that you would know that each SMTP user has its own credentials, username, password, which can be configured separately. How? I want you to click the add SMTP. All I have to do is provide all the information needed, which is useful for managing multiple sending apps or clients. Like for example, if you're using a different departments or services. With this, you have the IP authentication. It allows you to whitelist specific IP addresses. But the thing is, it's part of the upgrade plan. So if you want to set up IP authentication, SMTP2GO will allow connections only from those IPs without needing a password. This is often used by servers or devices like scanners, printers that can't support standard login methods. The IP keys are secure credentials used to access SMTP2GO's API. This is very useful when sending emails or managing your account programmatically, such as via a web app or automation system. You can add a key here. All I have to do is click the copy and put in the description. For example, GP2Go, and click the add API key. You can include the rate limit right here so that you can have more secure than password-based authentication. Now, you have the verified senders here, which gives you the ability that before you can send emails through SMTP2GO, you need to verify the from email address. This is to prevent spoofing and improve deliverability. You can verify a single email address or an entire domain. You must, however, add at least one verified sender before sending emails. The SMS settings allows you to configure SMS sendings if your plan includes this feature. Alright, you can send text messages like SMS using SMTP2GO, typically through the API. Now, let's see if we can go to the upgrade button. Alright. Let's select a plan for now. You can choose a plan. Right now we're using the free plan, which gives us all these. Of course, if you want to scale up, you can go to the starter plans, which is 10,000 emails monthly for $15, 50,000 emails monthly for $30, and the professional plans includes all these. Right? If you wanted to check more plans, you might want to look into this and make sure that if you feel that SMTP2GO is going to be the platform that answers all your business needs, just upgrade here. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our dive into SMTP2GO. It's simple, reliable, and packed with features like real-time reporting, spam testing, and of course powerful API integration. So if you're looking for a lightweight but robust email delivery service with top-notch support and no headaches, SMTP2GO is definitely worth a try. But hey, what do you think? Are you planning to give SMTP2GO a shot? Or do you have a favorite email delivery tool? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And again, if this video helped you out, subscribe for more tech tutorials and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.